What's up, H3 Cruisers? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I got a curtain rod in my hand. Don't ask why. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I was using it for TikTok. Who knows? But, guys, Carnival Cruise Lines has made the announcement that they were going to make on Friday. I mentioned this in last Thursday's video. They made that announcement today, a couple days late, because they wanted to hold back a little bit. And we're going to talk about that right now, right here. Let's get to it. So Carnival has made that announcement, like I said, but before we get into all that, I want to remind you guys that if you like the content in today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And also, if you haven't and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help us hit that 2,000 subscribers because I'm going to be uploading videos. I got nothing else to do while I am here in quarantine here in Vegas. It does suck. No Rona, though, so we're good. So on to the topic. Carnival Cruise Lines, originally April 11th, they were going to resume sailing their ships here in the United States based off of that 30 days suspension. Then last week they mentioned they were going to make an announcement on Friday, which got pushed back to today. I made the prediction that halfway through May was going to be the new cancellation, and we now have that determined. Carnival Cruise Lines has pushed back for all their cruise line, well, Carnival Corporation in general. So this means Carnival Cruise Lines, Holland America, Princess Cruise Lines, and all the rest of the cruise lines that Carnival Corporation owns, including Carnival Cruise Lines, has been pushed back till May 11th. That means if you had a booking between April 11th, well, actually, from today all the way till May 11th, your cruise is now canceled. But on the bright side, you are going to get everything you paid back in one of two ways. You can either get a refund, which is going to take quite a while, but they will process it for you. They are, getting slammed right now. But if you go on to Carnival.com and go to your bookings, I believe it's already going to be situated with you having a future cruise credit. So there's two options. You could get a check mailed to you for everything you paid and get that back. Or you can rebook and get the future cruise credit plus probably roughly $600 onboard spending credit on top of it, whatever they add onto it. It's different based off of what cruise you're doing, I think, but you can get the future cruise credit along with onboard spending credit, which means you got more money back than you put in, and you still get a vacation. So I would take it. Now, for me personally, what sucks is April 29th is the deadline to pay for my June cruise out of NOLA. And I am out of work now until May 1st, which really, really sucks because I can't pay off that cruise. So needless to say, that is going to have to be canceled. But the problem is they haven't canceled that far back, so that means I'm going to have to cancel myself and probably lose the deposits that I have. Sadly, maybe I can get that as future cruise credit because of everything that's going on. I got to figure that out. I'm trying to, at least. And as far as trying to book Carnival Radiance for June 29th, I have a feeling that's going to get pushed back too because Dry Dock has been pushed back. And that was why Carnival Radiance cruises got canceled all the way up until June 11th. And that cruise I'm supposed to go on then is June 29th. I haven't booked that one yet. I'm going to try to once I get back to work, but chances are with the extra 30-day suspension of service, I'm guessing that their dry docks are also going to get suspended longer as well, which means that Carnival Radiance may get another 30 days of cancellations. I know there are ships that have their bookings removed from online all the way through October, so I think we're going to get special announcements for certain ships. I believe Carnival Legend and some others. Don't quote me on the exact ships. I'm not 100% up on all of that. But guys, I want you guys to interact with my videos here. So I'm going to ask you very nicely, make sure you leave a comment below on your thoughts. I will respond to them. My notifications have been really messing up the last couple days. I think I got it fixed. So if it takes a bit for me to respond to a comment, I do apologize. Normally, I respond to comments on YouTube within minutes because it pops up a little notification bar and I pull down, tap it, read it, and respond really quick. Channel's still small enough to do that. But I haven't been getting notifications this last week. Also, if your comments end up in the spam folder or the held for review folder because you used, foul language or something that's blocked or something that YouTube doesn't like, I usually don't catch those right away. Those take me weeks to respond. I try to catch up on them. But other than that, as soon as I see your comments, I will respond to you. I promise I respond to all comments that I see with my eyes. So leave your comments below. I will talk to you guys later. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hopefully you're not stressing too much. I got some more videos to record right now. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone. I'm out.